Only 5 more left. What is it?
Venison.
Alright, I know we're in the apocalypse, but can we at least cook it right if we're gonna be feeding people? I refuse to believe that 20 years after the outbreak, people just forgot how to cook. Start with some meat that is totally venison meat and definitely not your friend or dad or anything weird like that. Sear the meat on all sides until it is just getting brown to really lock in all of the juicy flavors. If salt and pepper aren't rare commodities in your community, give it a quick hit of seasoning to really make the meal even more appetizing. I scavenged this salt and pepper from a cutlery packet. Since we're running low on rations, we'll use canned potatoes to help thicken the stew base. A few fresh ingredients like shallot and garlic can be stored for long periods of time and still be edible, so we'll grab a few of those from the root cellar. Canned peas and carrots provide a bit of sweet flavor and texture to the stew. And apparently, canned tomatoes will still stock the shelves long after the end of the world, so we'll use up our last can in this recipe. Then we'll add in some broth that was stewed from old bones. It doesn't matter what kind of bones, no need to ask. Finally, we can toss in a bundle of herbs collected from the forest while out on patrol. Game meat can be more lean and chewier than other commercialized meat, so it is best to let it simmer low and slow for about an hour or until most of the liquids have cooked off, leaving us with a thick and meaty stew. Remove the bundle of herbs and then serve to your very hungry community. Surely they won't suspect anything unusual about what they are being served. Do you ever get hungry? Head on over to thestarvingchefblog.com where you can find this recipe and many others with ingredient amounts and step-by-step instructions. What fictional feast should I make next? Let me know in the comments. If you liked this video, don't forget to flip that sub button and ring the dinner bell so you can be notified of my latest recipes and foodie adventures that I post every week. I hope you all enjoyed, and I'll see you in the next recipe. Literally.